Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you a special emergency docking maneuver you might use to stop your boat in an emergency in a narrow space like a marina. You can use this if you lose your engine, and I'm going to show you how to do this smooth and easy. Prepare your boat ahead of time with these three key factors. You want to rig quarter spring lines as shown in the illustration. Attach two long spring lines on each side of the boat to cleats located on the corners of your stern. Tie large bowlines into the end of the lines. Rig the quarter spring lines on both sides of the boat, that way you are ready for docking port or starboard in an emergency. Line the sides with fenders and ready other dock lines as you would for normally tying up. We will not show that in our illustration for clarity, but to be prepared, you would rig these on both sides of the boat. That way you are prepared for any emergency. Make sure that your crew understands to pass the loop of the quarter spring around the piling or dock fitting as soon as the boat comes abeam. That way, if they miss the first time, they will have another chance to retrieve the line and try again. Once the quarter spring takes a strain, the boat will move alongside the pier as shown. You want to adjust the quarter spring length to avoid contact with any boats ahead and attach other docking lines and position your fenders for best protection. Use these easy sailing tips to put you in control in a docking emergency wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.